we're gonna go on an adventure day because we want to explore not only the parts that everyone goes to in Thailand, we want to go to some random place. So here's what we've done. We have separated this map into 4 sections. This is the map of Chiang Mai, and this is anywhere from a 1-hour drive to about a 4-hour drive, depending on where we pick because of mountains. So we'll see what happens here. So, Autumn, pick 1 through 4. Go.
I hate this idea. 3.
Now I'm going to move the numbers into that section. Ben, you're second oldest. 1 through 4.
2.
2. So now we're in this area here. Ellie, 1 through 4.
1.
1. Okay, so we are just north of Doi Khun Tan National Park. I have no idea what is actually there. We're gonna find 4 places. Wat Cham Tham, Wat Mai Ta Krai, whatever, Wat Thun San, and this one that's not even in English. So, Kaylee's not gonna understand this. Pick 1 through 4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. We are going to Wat Cham Tham Temple, and hopefully there is some kind of civilization around
This is
there.
either going to be terrible or great.
Yeah, we're dead serious. That was totally random. We're gonna go to this place and see what it's like. Cool, let's do it. So I looked it up. It's not even on Apple Maps. You can only find it on Google Maps, which is not giving me a ton of confidence. We are an hour and 13 minutes away. Let's hit the road.
Head east on Tinrage Market for Tinrage Pakine.
Okay, that was more of a white a white accent than I have even.
Yeah, I think
Turn
so.
right on Wat Cham Tham Road.
I still don't know what it means, but we'll figure it out. Let's go.
What if it's like Valley of Death? We're literally just driving, and there's a giant sign in a field that says coffee, which means that it can't be bad. So I'm assuming it's that little shack. This might be an interesting choice.
Let's go.
You guys want some local coffee?
Yeah.
Look at all these cute little huts and places where you can sit. This is pretty awesome. Can't wait to see how the coffee tastes.
So at this coffee shop here, we just met our new friend Pessy, who used to live like 10 minutes from where I did in California at the same time I was there, which is really crazy.
Cool.
Chicken?
Chicken?
Yeah, thanks.
Sure.
So while we're waiting for coffee here, our new friend just talked us into getting some chicken fried rice too. So let's support the little place on the side of the road. I'm sure it's totally safe. Actually, this will probably be the safest thing we've eaten since we've been here. So
Maybe. Or maybe we'll get sick. Who knows?
yeah, travel.
All right.
Thank you very much. Okay, so she didn't talk us into getting it. She just made us that for free and will not let me pay because she's so sweet. So that's Thai culture.
That is. Yep.
This fried rice, absolutely incredible. So good. How's the coffee?
And coffee, I got a mocha, and this is probably the best mocha I've had since being here.
Yeah.
Maybe ever. It's delicious.
This butterscotch latte, unbelievable. So glad we pulled over to the side of the road to this farm. So we've officially made it 15 minutes down the road before having to stop for coffee. That's a record. Man.
We're doing good.
All right, we're doing good.
Turn left.
Well, that is a very small road. And we still have half an hour left, so there is no telling where we're going.
So we keep turning onto smaller and smaller and smaller roads. I don't know where Yale is taking us.
This is that random place
Continue
that we found
straight.
That lady's looking at
Your
us like we're
destination will
crazy.
be on the left.
I don't know. This is definitely not like a touristy temple.
Yeah, for sure not.
I'm not gonna lie. I hadn't planned this far.
I don't know what to do. Do we walk around? Do we just drive through that random little bridge thing?
I don't know. The only people that would come here are the people that live here.
Nobody comes here.
So, I mean, we might as well get out and ask forgiveness instead of permission, kind of thing.
Let's try it.
That's cool. This is a giant drum set. So yeah, this is the middle of nowhere near Chiang Mai. I guess we're an hour and a half outside of Chiang Mai. But even in the middle of the little country areas, there's temples like this and just beautiful scenery. Man, we're just surrounded by mountains all the way around us. I don't know if you can see that. This guy's telling us right now that there's another thing up on the hill over here. So if we walk over here, you can see it. Right on the hill up there. Cool. So that was actually really cool. We ended up basically going to the like Buddhist equivalent of like a small country church, I think is what it was. And the monk that lives there was a really nice guy, showed us around. We got to talk to him for a minute. He told us to go up on the hill to see that cool thing up on the hill. We'll see how it is. Yeah, let's do it. This is part of the fun of adventure, right? Just go wherever, do whatever. Just make it happen. Just do the thing.
All right, I'm gonna drive now.
Okay. Are you not doing a U-turn?
I don't know.
Oh.
This looks like I'm going there. Like, I don't know what's happening right now.
Yeah, we have no idea where
In
we are.
300 meters, turn left.
What's a meter?
I don't know. How far is that?
This is where the GPS told us to turn. It is definitely a dirt road going up the mountain. Oh gosh. Don't hit the dog. Stop.
Head west.
I'm being as careful as these
It's
roads
definitely
will
telling
allow
us
me
to turn around now.
Head west.
Is it really?
Then
Yeah.
turn
No?
left.
No,
Yes.
I don't know what it
Yeah,
doesn't
turn around.
know where we are.
Yeah, do a U-turn on this road. That's gonna be
Right
really easy.
here.
Turn by the little baby chickens.
What the
No
heck
way.
are we doing in our
In
with our
400
lives?
meters,
Look at the whole. Why did the chicken cross the road?
turn right.
To not get run over by Autumn.
Head west.
Not fair. You told me to drive down this road.
Now we're backing down the road. You're good on this side. Oh, that was a chicken.
What?
No, I'm just kidding.
Not cool. Not cool, man. I want to run over a baby chicken.
Why? You're not hungry? Alright, now stop the roller coaster, Ellie says.
I mean,
Smells like
ooh,
chickens.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's roll that
hungry.
back
100
up.
meters, turn right.
Oh yeah, this is like a road. This one's paved.
I think we just missed our turn.
I think so too. We were supposed to turn this way, not that.
Yeah, that was the road. Okay,
Yeah,
now we're on
this
the
is
normal
where we're
road.
supposed to be. Okay,
Okay.
maybe.
Your destination is
Oh,
on the left.
there they are.
This is a road. Do we see this road, people?
In the U.S., this would not even be a
Do we
bike
see this?
path.
This wouldn't be a sidewalk. No, this is a road. I'm driving on
Hey,
this.
do me a favor though. Don't hit that cow.
I'll try not to.
What's up, cow? How are you doing? Well, to be fair, he probably speaks Thai. I was videoing her coming up this hill, but she just drove away without me. Stop! This is not funny. You think you're funny? You think you're funny?
Move it. Got your exercise in. You said you wanted to work out.
So we made it up here to the top, and it is quite evident at the top that this is not a driving road. Yeah, I think we need to give up on this one and look at it from the base. Beautiful.
We're gonna get down there, and there's gonna be another like perfectly paved road on the other side that goes all the way up and like stops in a parking lot with like a coffee shop on the other side of it.
Well, that was fun. Now we are back in the car driving down the road towards Chiang Mai, and we're trying to find just a little restaurant here in this town. Well, we've been looking for a restaurant for a while now, and we can't find one. Pretty much everything's closed, or it's just a small town. I think they don't really go to restaurants much. But we also missed our turn to get back to town, so now it's gonna take an extra 20 minutes, but we get to go a new way and experience something completely different again. And within like 30 seconds, I'm super glad we went the wrong way, because that is a massive statue of something that, I don't even know what it is. What the heck?
So we're driving down this road on the mountains, and there is so much poop, like massive piles of poop on this road. But I feel pretty equipped to handle dodging it. Oh, there's one. Because I live in Indiana, and so I'm used to dodging potholes in this way.
Yeah. It makes me think that cows walk across these roads, and you might want to drive a little slower on the mountain roads.
Oh wow, look at this view. Can you see that?
Okay, so we just found out what's been leaving all this poop on the side of the road. It's just wild cows or bison, or what the heck are these things? Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh, they're in the road. What the heck?
Hey guys. Can I come through? They're just not moving.
I guess move to the left a little bit. I'm rolling this up just in case.
Yeah. Oh, there he goes. Okay, can you move please?
Yeah.
Can we come through? Hi.
I think we're about to find out how you lose your security deposit on a rental car in Thailand. Remember the time our car got gored?
What the heck? Come on.
Dude, like he is just willing to get hit.
Just hit him.
No, don't just hit him.
Ellie.
Okay.
Seriously? You're gonna get. You are gonna die.
Go! Move! That one looks like he's mad. Go!
Go, Mr. Blow.
There he goes. All right.
It's
All right.
a whole family.
They moved. It is a whole family.
Thank you.
We made it!
What the heck just happened?
That's where all the poop came from. There's not a whole lot to say. It says left is 51 minutes and similar ETA if we go right. You guys want to go left or right?
I said right. What does right say?
Right?
Okay,
It doesn't matter. Right or left?
Left.
You said right.
I changed.
Okay, left. What do you think, Ben?
I don't know.
3.
Left.
Okay. What about you, Ellie?
Left.
Left.
Left
Go
it is.
Left. This is the Robot Cafe. That's super cool. Robot Thor. These are so cool.
Awesome.
Good.
It's pretty delicious.
Who would have thought that the Robot Cafe would have been one of the best restaurants on this entire trip, but it was incredible, seriously.
So one thing for me in the midst of all the different things we've seen in Thailand that's interesting is the fact that there's all these little mini temples everywhere you go. I mean, just like on the side of the street. Here's one by this little playground. Just these little mini temples here. Makes me think, you know, how often do we as Christians just go through normal life and then we just wait for Sunday to worship our Jesus? When in reality, man, sometimes I wish our culture was a culture that would keep, in a sense, many temples around to remind us to stop and worship Jesus throughout the day. Food for thought.
The food was great. The coffee has to be good. And coffee. So. It smells like cow. Is it because you ran over all the poop?
I think it might be.
I think our car smells like cow poop.
Yep, it's our car.
It's our car?
What?
Wonderful. Okay, well, after a crazy day of going all over the country, seeing a part of Thailand that we never would have expected to see and wouldn't have seen if we hadn't done this crazy experiment. We're back at our hotel here, and man, it was super fun. I love having crazy adventures and doing just insane things. So if you want to follow along with us, make sure to hit subscribe, like this video, comment below on the funniest thing that you saw or the most ridiculous thing that you saw today, and we'll be back at you with another one pretty soon. So we're driving, and a couple days ago I told the kids that if they lose their tooth here, instead of getting $1 to go to the dollar store, they'll get 30 baht because we're in Thailand. And there's been like a competition between Ellie and Ben to see who could lose a tooth first, and I didn't think they were actually going to do it. But hey Ben, what happened?
I lost my tooth.
You didn't knock it out yourself, did you?
I did.
Like, it was loose, right, buddy?
Yeah, it was loose.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I didn't actually, like, if it was stiff, I
gosh.
just didn't, like, punch it out.
You didn't punch it out.
No, you just wiggled it and it came out?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
Well, that's good to know that you didn't punch it out.
Can I see this?
Hey buddy, did you know about the Thai tradition that if you lose a tooth, you throw it out on the road and it gives you good luck? Yeah, throw it outside.
It gives me good luck?
No, I just want your tooth out of the car because it's gross. Do
Car.
you want to throw it outside?
Yeah.
All right, go for it. Roll down the window.
Yeah,
Back there.
It down.
Here, do it Kaylee's side.
Haley's?
Yep, throw your tooth out the window. Wait, not in the tissue. All right, now you get good luck for at least an hour. How do you feel?
Good.